Hello everyone, my name's Alyssa. I'm a trip leader for UNLV Outdoor Adventures with the Student Recreation and Wellness Center. Today I'm talking about strapping canoes and kayaks to boat trailers and cars. It's really easy, really beginner friendly. All you need is a boat, a friend, and something to strap it to. The most popular boat transportation option we offer at OA is the canoe car topper kit. It's a simple way to haul one boat and should be usable for any type of car. Before you put your boat on the vehicle, you're going to pad it with the foam blocks from the canoe car topper kit. This avoids the boat being damaged and the boat scratching the car. Canoes and kayaks are pretty heavy, so make sure you have a buddy to help you lift it, and remember to lift with your legs. So before you put the boat on the car, flip it over and then lift it onto the vehicle. When securing the boat, one strap will go between the doors of the vehicle and the roof of the vehicle to secure the middle of the boat. Then, one person will secure the front of the boat while the other one secures the back. Don't anchor the tie-down straps to the bumpers or to the exhaust. Anchor them to the chassis. Now let's talk about trailers. This is the trailer we use to haul boats at OA, and it is also available for rent to the public. I'm using a towel rack as a makeshift boat trailer. The only difference between the two is the boat trailer does not have curved arms and they have loops at the end to feed your straps through. The tools we need are going to be the boat trailer, the boat, and some tie-down straps. You only need 2 per boat, and then you're all set. To prepare your boat to be loaded on the trailer, turn it upside down, and remember you need 2 people to flip the boat and place it on the trailer. Now that your boat's loaded on the trailer, it's ready to be tied down. Lay your tie-down strap along the bottom of the boat. Remember, the bottom of the boat is the top of the banana because the boat was flipped over. Then, you'll wrap your tie-down strap around the pole and bring it back over the bottom of the boat. Up next, you'll see me tying a knot in my fake tie-down straps for the sake of convenience. Real tie-down straps, like the canoe locks pictured here, have a locking mechanism in the buckle that will keep your straps taut, so no tying is required. Now just do the same thing on the other end of your boat. Give both tie-down straps a good tug to make sure they're tight. Then firmly shake your boat to make sure it is secure to the trailer. The boat should not lose contact with the trailer. In fact, the entire trailer should shake with your boat. If the boat is not secure, continue to tighten your tie-down straps. And you're all set.